is BRCGS and how to get certified? The Brand Reputation Through Compliance Global Standard, otherwise known as BRCGS, is the global standard for quality assurance and food safety that businesses around the world rely on. Several highly regarded food safety standards, including BRCGS, can all be categorized under the Global Food Safety Initiative, otherwise known as GFSI. GFSI drives continual improvement in food safety management through its GFSI benchmarks. The benchmarks are a set of common criteria defined by food safety experts with the objective of making food manufacturing safe and compliant. In fact, BRCGS is one of the 5 most widely used GFSI standards in Australia, and according to BRCGS's compliance report in 2022, more than 34,000 audits were completed against BRCGS standards in 135 countries. Whether you are a food manufacturer, quality assurance professional, or compliance officer, understanding the intricacies of BRCGS is essential for staying competitive and building consumer trust. BRCGS positions your business as a reputable market leader in delivering quality products and services, and provides quality assurance for each function at each stage of the supply chain. What is BRCGS? The BRCGS Global Standards for food safety, packaging materials, storage and distribution, consumer products, agents and brokers, retail, gluten-free, and plant-based all set the benchmark for good manufacturing practices, helping to provide assurance to customers that your products are safe, legal, and of high quality. Each standard is tailored for a specific function and is periodically reviewed and updated to keep up with the ever-changing food industry and consumer requirements and expectations. No matter the size of your organization, BRCGS is applicable to each stage of the food supply chain, from food service organization, ingredients companies, catering, retailers, food manufacturers, distributors, and importers to exporters. If your organization handles food, this certification helps build trust. Why is BRCGS important? Recognized by many leading food businesses, BRCGS standards enables businesses to manage product safety, integrity, legality, quality, and the operational controls through the provision of a globally recognized framework, all under a single umbrella. How to get certified. Here's how your organization can get BRCGS certified with these 4 phases. Phase 1. Establish and implement. In order to understand which BRCGS standards are right for your organizational needs, engage a consultant. Seek expert assistance to help determine all the applicable BRCGS standards that meet your food safety requirements. Consultants can provide valuable insights and streamline your efforts. Purchase and subscribe to BRCGS standards to understand the latest version of the standard. Ensure you've obtained a copy of the relevant standard and stay updated on any revisions that may affect your compliance. Upskill your team. Enroll your employees in training courses to build internal expertise on the requirements and implementation of the standard. Equipping your team with the right skills is essential for long-term compliance. Courses include BRCGS Food Safety 3-Day Auditor Course Issue 9, BRCGS Food Safety 2-Day Site Course Issue 9, and BRCGS Food Safety 5-Day Lead Auditor Issue 9. Conduct a self-assessment audit. Evaluate your organization against one or more BRCGS standards requirements through a self-assessment. This is essential preparation for identifying gaps and allows you to address non-conformances before the formal audit. Phase 2. Audits. Partner with an accredited certification body such as Intertek SI Global to schedule an external audit. During this process, auditors will assess compliance through chosen BRCGS standards, identifying any non-conformances to be addressed before certification is granted. Phase 3. Achieve certification. Pass the audit to achieve BRCGS certification, giving your business the credibility and recognition of adhering to global standards. Phase 4. Maintain and recertify. Your commitment doesn't stop at certification. Maintain compliance by conducting regular internal reviews, adapting processes to business changes, scheduling surveillance audits, and recertifying each year. You would also need to complete at least one unannounced audit every 3 years to ensure continued compliance with the latest standards. Think of BRCGS certification as a long-term investment. It's about maintaining robust food safety practices, developing trust, and safeguarding your brand's reputation year after year. Level up your training by appointing and training an employee as an internal auditor to ensure you have a dedicated team member to oversee continual improvement and compliance. This individual serves as your go-to for internal audits and compliance reviews. The chosen employee can achieve certification in courses such as Internal Food Safety Auditor, ISO 22000 and ISO 19011. BRCGS certification is the ultimate global mark of excellence in food safety. To summarize, engage a consultant, purchase the standard, upskill your team with accredited training, conduct a self-assessment, book in your audit, and ensure you maintain your level of excellence through periodic assessment and level up your training to ensure you also pass your recertification. Take the first step to get GFSI benchmarked and access to global markets with BRCGS certification.